Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about polynomial and its type. Let's see what is polynomials. Polynomials is equal to poly plus nomials. It means many terms. Thus a polynomial contains many terms. Thus a type of algebraic expression with many terms having variables, constant and coefficients is called polynomial. An algebraic expression in mathematics is an expression which is made up of variables and constants along with algebraic operations such as addition, subtraction, etc. For example, 3x square, 5y plus 2x plus 5, 2x plus 9 and 2m square plus 2. Here is the example 2x power 7 plus 3y minus 2. So this is an example of polynomial. So these polynomials can be denoted by p of x or q of x. In the above polynomial, 2x power 7, 3y and minus 2 are the terms of the polynomial. 2 and 3 are the coefficients of the x power 7 and y respectively. X and y are the variables. 2 is the constant term which has no variable. 7 and 1 are the exponent of x and y respectively. We can define polynomial in different ways. Polynomial is an algebraic expression which includes constant, variables and exponents. It is an expression in which the variables have only positive integral powers. That is, no negative and fraction. For example, 4x power 3 plus 3x square plus x plus 3. This is a polynomial in variable x. In the second example, 4x square plus 3x power 1 minus 4. This is not a polynomial as it has negative power. And in example 3, 3x power 3 by 2 plus 2x minus 3. Here power is fraction. So this is also not a polynomial. Let's see type of polynomials on the basis of the number of terms. If the number of terms is 0, then it is called zero polynomial. For example, 0. If the number of terms is 1, then the polynomial is called as monomial. For example, 3x square. If the number of terms is 2, then it is called binomial. For example, x square plus 1. X square is the first term and 1 is the second term. If the number of terms is 3, then the polynomial is called as trinomial. For example, 2x cube plus x square plus 1. The highest value of power of the variable in the polynomial is the degree of the polynomial. Type of polynomials on the basis of number of degrees. There are 4 types of polynomials on the basis of number of degrees. If the number of degree is 0, then it is called constant polynomial. For example, 2, 3, 5, or we can say that 2 into x power 0. Because x power 0, anything power 0 is 1. If the degree of the polynomial is 1, then it is called linear polynomial. For example, x plus 2, y plus 1, 3u plus 4. Here the degree is 1. If the degree of the polynomial is 2, then it is called quadratic polynomial. For example, 2x square plus 5, x square plus 2 by 7x, 5x square plus 2x plus pi. Here the degree is 2. If the degree of the polynomial is 3, then it is called cubic polynomial. For example, 8x cube, 2x cube plus x plus 1, 6 minus x cube. Here the degree is 3. Thank you for watching my channel. Subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.